Let's fill out the District of Columbia eviction notice together, the written notice a landlord serves before an eviction case can begin, and check what the state asks of it as we go. This notice is a short, dated letter, and every blank matters. Start where the notice cites the state laws it is served under and type the state's name. Then the date of the signed lease agreement it refers to, month, day, and year, one part in each box. Then the premises. The notice names the property you are reclaiming, type the street address, the city, the state, and the zip code, exactly as the lease describes them. Now the money. Enter the total amount past due, in our example $1,250, then the period the unpaid rent covers, from February 1 to March 1, 2024, month, day, and year in each set of boxes. Then the deadline for paying in full, in our example April 15, a month after the notice. Your state sets the minimum time a tenant must get. We cover it in the requirements in a moment, so give at least that much. Further down, the notice names the state once more where it reserves the landlord's rights. Type it again there. First, every eviction notice must be in writing. No exceptions there. The notice must be served on the tenant, and for any reason other than non-payment of rent, it must also be served on the rent administrator. Now, if you're serving notice by posting a copy on the premises, you'll need to take a photograph of that posted notice. And that photograph must have a readable timestamp showing the exact date and time it was posted. Language matters too. If the landlord knows the tenant's primary language is something other than English or Spanish, and that language is covered under the relevant local statute, the notice must be provided in that language. Let's talk about notice periods, because they vary quite a bit depending on the reason for eviction. For non-payment of rent, the notice must be served at least 10 days before filing the claim. Then sign. Next to the landlord's signature line, type the date. The last page is the certificate of service. It records who served the notice, when, on whom, and by what method. Complete it when you actually serve the notice, and keep a signed copy of everything for your records. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.